Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Workday app how to register for classes. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To register for classes using the Workday student app, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Workday student app, and then be sure to be logged into your account using your credentials. Then once logged in, what you need to do is tap on the academics icon or navigate to the academic section from the main menu. Then once you're inside in the academic section, look for the find course section option, then simply tap on it to search for available courses. Then enter the desired academic period and academic level, and then simply tap on OK to proceed. Now browse through the list of available courses selection and then tap on the course title to view more details. If the course selection is available for registration, you'll see a register button. Simply tap on that register button and review the course details and confirm your selection. If everything looks correct, simply tap on the register again to complete the process, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that you have successfully registered for the course. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.